Hey there, Tucson homeowners. Are you tired of dealing with the headaches of trying to sell your home through traditional methods? Well, have no fear, because in this video, we're going to show you how selling your Tucson home for cash in 2023 can solve your problem. And let us tell you, the statistics speak for themselves.
You're watching Home GTV. Thanks so much and enjoy.
London, your #1 home guide, wanted me to let you know that selling a home can be a daunting task, especially if you need to sell it quickly. But in Tucson, the average home is on the market for over 50 days. That's almost 2 months of dealing with showings, open houses, and negotiations. Not to mention, the average real estate agent commission in Tucson is around 6%. So you're potentially losing tens of thousands of dollars in fees alone. And please know that I'm here to provide the best information available on cash offers, and London is ready with cash in hand to help the rest of the way. Luckily, selling your Tucson home for cash is a hassle-free alternative that can save you time and money. With cash home buyers in Tucson, you can sell your home in as little as 7 days with no fees or commissions. Plus, Tucson home values have gone up over 20% in the past year alone, so you could be looking at a great return on investment. So, how does selling your Tucson home for cash work? First, you reach out to a reputable cash home buyer in Tucson who will make you a fair offer for your home based on its condition and the current market. You'll get an offer within 24 hours, and if you accept it, you can close the deal in just 1 week. You'll have cash in hand and no more worries about the traditional home selling process. If you're considering selling your Tucson home for cash, don't wait any longer. Contact us today for a free, no-obligation offer by texting your property address to 602-575-0904. That's 602-575-0904 to receive an instant free offer. Simply text your property address to 602-575-0904. Don't miss out on this stress-free and efficient option for selling your Tucson home.
Thanks for watching Home GTV.